Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make a Bombay vegetable sandwich. Okay, for this Bombay sandwich we're going to need the green chutney with peanuts, which is on our recipe board. Then potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, some onions. I've used white onions because I don't want to make it very oniony. Chaat masala, which is a blend of salt, pepper and a lot of different tangy spices. And of course bread and butter. Okay, to start we're gonna add nice of this bread like this. Spread it evenly all the way through. Okay. And then at the base you're gonna put potatoes. Now these are boiled potatoes. They have to be chilled and cooled. And this is what we call chaat masala. So sprinkle good of this. It's got really tangy qualities in that, and you can get it at Indian grocery store. Then I'm gonna add a little nice spread of butter. Nice spread of butter, you see. And then lap it on this. To this again, I'm going to add the chutney. There you are. And then I'm going to add good cucumbers. And some onions, and again some of the chaat masala which is there, and again add some nice butter to it. Now you can add more. Some people like more chutney on it. It's okay. You can also add a little more, not much. We'll spread it evenly good. And there you are. Put it nicely. Let me clear this off. And the best part of this is you have to cut the sides for this. So you evenly remove the slices. Ends. And then you just cut it in 4 nice pieces. And you're ready to serve them. One, 2, 3, and 4. Here's the fantastic Bombay sandwich. I used to love this sandwich when we used to get it on the street. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel, and follow us on social media, topperchef.com. Happy cooking!